Gusii.
Biyo mwanchu muri wetaseni kya Ndizi TV nechinga kichindengo kwaregani atwe manye amangana maya a Chinsa Isano na Ibere ereterane Dorcas Kemuma na nigo trachi kubwatirana nere Lydia Mose oyo kumanya witra asenchera jebimenyerero nere sara momanye okwene kinga marigene chibicha awekire asenchera yo wekanu nigo cheragire Chinsa Isano na Ibere chabono mubaso chetariki ni 14 omotinyo gatano narimo mwaka wetu 2024 ngo kwenye na bogo tubwatia wetra senchera ye metandao asensemo ya YouTube ogaso tonyora buna Ndizi TV News na ansemere ya Facebook na trbuna Ndizi TV News digital na boigo kuikase website tonyora buna www.ndizitv.net. Na kwareganirie bintu yare komanyamanya Amayia yekyumbe kya TSG osege kubarika abalimu kya TSG kubatuka amarube yo kubateneni emeremo abalimu ba junior secondary aswetani achimisano Ibere nigobano omo bishop Emmanuel Momanyi enemweli Momanyi oyoboigo ore omorwaneri bwobwene bwamonyabanto amochiri ekyumbe kyo kya TSG asokobwatuka amaruba yo kubateneni emeremo ni kolengana nere nigataba nigo abalimu abo babete bakurobikana ne serikali ekaiwa ebirero byabo ase okobeka ensemo chibesa ase budget elio kana kingango chire kubalika ase omoroberio o permanent and pensionable ase bono abarachi kulikwa ase gikakere motwe nigo bayigononye kusekorende bayigo nigo ekyombe kya kupet bayigo kigetie engane yobosio obwe ekigambero
Agirende TSC Waya tayabete eya babegeti itan kibese chikoto kuresa serikali abantu abo baya good permanent education ekara bari mubaganya barosa bagatwa okora constitutionally oko picket uneliti ko ligoteba that is article 37 of the constitution mbai wegetwe ekara bago picket Kiagara eba gajite TSC ekorete needful TSC ya korete needful elinda bagasoka isiko bagasoa copycat Kiagara mba bwana bale kulikwa go internship eba mwana na bwo kulikwa permanent and pension eganjira nolende bagata bajibe yaseji ba located ase budget abalimu aba baba considered kwa permanent and pension. It was agreed, and TSC established that it is going to do the same. What do you go gumia? Ingene TSC ya iranire kuli kama roba 742 eko bitabari. Why do we repeat the wrongs? Because TSC is making two wrongs, and the two wrongs will never make a right. Kubet, proceed to court. Let somebody who wrote those letters held responsible for contravening Article 75 of the Constitution. That is demeaning, that is using personal conflict of interest to violate, to deny, to infringe.
Kokotigana nayo yansamo yechiseme nigo omorai wense Dr. Wira Muruto nigo achakire bene etaro yaye ime yense ya Italy ase akagire goche wikirana ase gikaro kya G7 ekyo kiracho kolekana ime ya ense yo Ruto nigo achagete safari yaye abo igoro margoba ase abete kagokobwa goika ase geti kiechindege ya Jomo Kenyatta International Airport ase omokonyo ye rigadi gashawa yaringe egati yabara ibande amo na omonene ose omotenene wabange ase ebunge kimani njungwa baringe egati yabara ibekiranite ase egeti ekyoge chindege. Morai wense Dr. Wira Muruto nigo araite egikaro gose omoyiga o Kenya Young Parliamentarians Association ase botukos as abugoro asomochi o Nairobi ase bono abete egati abarai bekiranite ase omoyigo yobunenchera yemo yogosegeta abarai abasai abo babeire bagochorwa ase enseto ya Kenya ekyombe kyoboigo nigo gyachagetiwe bene abugoro erioko segeta naboigo kwene kinga ngosira kire abarai bari ase ose abasai bari ase borai imeyenseto ya Kenya alne bari ase chibunge chingaki chumuyigo yo nigo Ruto aboreti abasai abo babere bagochora kwene kinga nkobeka bare omoke ase emeremo yabo naboigo kwene kibuna kwene enkoro bare obokorari obuyagochi ase abananchi abo babaete oborai ase boiga abatebeti bane kiba bamanyire emechando eri yonse abakenya bagwetera anene kurwa Chinsa mochire bachorire.
If you take a risk, you might fail. If you don't take a risk, you will surely fail. Right? Because you will not move. Are we together? So, whether it is on that floor of parliament, whether it is on any other fora, take a risk. Don't make it perfect. Keep trying. You will get it there one day. So, keep at it. I want to encourage you. Keep at it. As members of parliament, and I say this to many, especially members of my team, or my party for that matter. I know they have heard this from me many times. Take your job seriously. You have 3 responsibilities as an elected member: to represent your constituents, to legislate in parliament, and to oversight public resources. Many members of parliament don't take their job of representation seriously. Understand the issues. Understand government programs. Have a plan. Understand how many teachers have been hired by government in your constituency. Yeah? For example, last year, we hired 56,000 teachers. Medu, do you know how many teachers we hired in Nyandarua? You should know, right? And you should.
Chingeke chuboigo Ruto nigo atebetabina niga serikali ya Kenya kwanza barachiko chakia eskuru yo borai eibono irachi kurwa amasomo ya oborai anene ucha sabarai bari abasaguso anene ucha sabasae abo babwate okugania gokoba abarai ase amatuko arimotwe ase eskuru yo irachi kubekwa Amayia County ya Nairobi ase amatuko arimotwe ase bono barachi kubwatira nago ase sabete okugania kogokonya kurwa ase oyo kabire omorai gwense ya Amerika Barack Obama ya mokonya kwene kingaba bekire eskuru yu eriokonya abasaye abange abobwate amaganio yokora enseto ya Kenya.
When I was in America, I asked for an appointment with President Barack Obama. And I was just asking him for one thing. I'm an alumni of Nairobi University. And I told Barack Obama, your father was an alumni of Nairobi University. I requested him to assist us set up a school in the fashion of Kennedy School of Leadership in Harvard. But this time, to be a school of leadership in Nairobi University, and I asked him, let us call it Barack Obama School of Leadership in Nairobi University. And Barack Obama agreed, and he will come here next year so that we can, and he has undertaken that he's going to mobilize support for a sustainable school of leadership, because leadership is serious, and we want you guys to be better than us, go read, go learn about leadership so that we can have better leaders tomorrow. I agree with the DP sometimes when you can accumulate a lot of it, and then when we can say prior learning, you can be given, nowadays you can get a certificate. But those of you who are younger, you can go to school. You don't have to wait for long.
Omonogeri webungenene Moses wetangula ni gobono aborire abasai bari babwate amaganyo yokora ensito ya Kenya ogotiga oborai bo obogesaku na kwarene kingankora bare abakenya asenchera eringia asari kwana yo ni garinga chinga kichomojega obo chinga kichomojega bogo chakia ekyombe kya Kenya Young Parliamentarians Association abugoro asateretemna nigo abasaye abange bagotume kwa bobegi siasa asebono ababolire kwene kinga nkora bali abakenya abuya anene bali bachorire koba abarayi asenseto ya Kenya.
Young people, this is your country. This country belongs to everybody. Don't be hoodwinked into any ethnic definitions and cocoons that can undermine our country. When you sit here today as a Kenyan and you hear somebody has been shot in Mandera, you feel the pain of that person because he's a fellow Kenyan. If you are told a typhoon has swept the Philippines, you will flip the newspaper and read on, because you don't have that personal touch and affinity. Let's be each other's keeper. Let's be patriotic. Let's love our country. And above all, young people, focus on what brings this country together. Focus on what grows our economy. In Parliament, in your county assemblies, in Yala, and everywhere. Let me finish by also telling you that when you listen to BBC, you listen to any international media houses, our president is defined as a young president in Africa.
Kautikana na yona goska motweni gomo waziri wa mache Zakaraya Njeru aboririe abakenya bali bamenyete angene chindoche kunganya korwa ase chinsemo echo kolengana na Zakaraya ojoro kwana chinga kiaringe imiye county ya Kilifi nigo aterni abakenya bali bamenyete ase chindoche ensemo bakwebeka ase akungu kolengana no wonchore ya kwelire nigo bana basekonyora emebasokano au ya mache chingaki embura enyinge egotwa asebono ababolire kwene kinganko rubale chinsemo echo nyuma eserikali etarabanganye koru ase chinsemo echo.
Nature demands back kule ambako ni kwake. Umeona wakati kumenyesha sana, watu wengi ambao walikuwa wamejenga karibu na mito na bahari waliweza kuondolewa. Kwa hivyo ni muhimu kila mahali kote nchini, ikiwa unajua umeingia katika riparian area, mahali ambapo tunapata chemichemi hizi za maji ama kando ya mito na bahari, ikiwa sisi tutashindwa, na sioni kama tutashindwa, pia ujue nature yenyewe itakufukuza. Kwa hivyo ni vizuri wakati huu muweze kuachia nature mahali pake, na sisi kama binadamu tukae kule ambako tunastahili. Kwa hivyo ujumbe ni kwamba tuwache chemichemi za mito na bahari na popote ambapo tunapata maji, tusiweze kuingilia mahali kule, kwa sababu jambo hilo linaleta maafa, jambo hilo linaleta madhara mengi. Kwa hivyo ni vizuri tuweze kutoka kule mapema. Tumeona kwamba kila mwezi tunalipa milioni 60 kwa sababu ya stima, na hivyo tumejadiliana na nikamwelekeza CEO wa Coast Water afanye feasibility study within the next 3 months, tuone kama tunaweza kuja na mradi wa kutumia solar, kwa sababu tunajua huo mradi wa solar utaweza kupunguza zile hela ambazo tunazilipa kwa stima. Kwa hivyo tuko na jambo hilo tunaangalia, na ile pesa ambayo tutakuwa tuna save tutaweza kuongeza miradi mingine katika sehemu hii. Tuna miradi mingine tofauti ya maji ambao pia mbali na maji ya kunywa, pia maji ya kunyunyuzia mimea.
Mwanjumuri yangu kwa ile nende mbuya mono asogo chora gitasene kia Ndizi TV kobe gitasene kia otengera ya maji ya Chinsa Isano na Ibere iritera ne Dorcas Kemuma na nigo twabwatera na ne resara momanye oyone kinga mariri ne chibicha awikira senchera jubikeno ne Lydia Mose oyone kinga kwa manyire gwitera senchera yimenyiryo twara oburigeze obuya ime ya Ndizi TV na bugwansu umugusi.